And hello everybody, welcome back to this video. Some viewers are requesting adaptive triggers or DualSense adaptive triggers for Forza Horizon 6. In this video we are going to do this, and it works with the car. It's not just an edit on the resistance of the controller. So if you move the car, it will start moving like it's a native support. Actually Forza supports this, but Microsoft doesn't support the DualSense controller directly. If we just start trying here, let's try. Okay, as you can see, hello friend. Okay, as you can see, it's working. We are just making video. Okay, how to add this? It's easy. Go to our website, then download DSX. That's the free version. You can use also the paid version that I am using. Download here, as you can see. Go to releases, latest, go down and download zip. Second up, RacingDX. You have to download this too. Okay, it's easy. Releases, latest, then RacingDX. You have to download this. Then open your DSX app and RacingDX. In RacingDX, make sure to set this to 5300. It comes like this, and set this to Forza and go down here, click add Forza Horizon 6 as it shows in the video, then press OK and press apply. In DSX, for the paid version, you have to go to settings, networking, enable those three, and in this make sure that it's 6969. For the free version, I will show a video here, as you can see. Make sure it's 6969, and don't forget to use virtual device Xbox 360. This is so important. You have to use virtual device Xbox 360 in the paid or the free version. In the game settings, go to hub and the gameplay, go down, and we have here data out. Enable this. Data out IP address, sets this to 127.0.0.1 like it's showing in the screen or in the video. Data out IP port. When we launch the game here, as you can see, it's working perfectly. Another note I have to say is that this doesn't work with the crack, doesn't work with the offline crack. There is an online fix crack. I'm using the online fix crack, as you can see, and it works for me. I think it's showing there in the corner, and it's amazing. So if your game is in offline mode, the offline crack, like the rune crack, I think that's the name, it won't work. If there is a fix, of course I will share this with you, but the only fix now is to use the crack of online fix. Also, it's good for you. Maybe you can play online multiplayer even if you didn't buy the game, but I recommend buying the game always if you have money. So if you have money, donate to the channel. This will help us, and of course subscribe is the best thing to do. Thank you for watching everyone. See you in the next video.